a wonderful idea to give your loved ones a special gift made by your own hand, customized by your own hand, and it's very easy. Anybody can do it. Just follow a simple technique and you can make it yourself. Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today I am recording a very special and very interesting video. The purpose of this video is to share my work with you and to show you what I have recently done. So let's move on. And these are the postcards I have made recently. The name of this project is star sign constellations. I made almost all the zodiac signs, star signs and constellations. So I just wanted to show you my work and to discuss what I have used in it, what colors I have used, which material I have used, and how I made this. So one by one, I'll just discuss whatever technique I have used in it. Let's move on to the process and details of each of these. But before that, if you liked my video, please do subscribe my channel and tell me in your comments, please, how do you like the video, and share your views with me. So guys, the first zodiac sign, the star sign, is Cancer. As you can see the details, the background, first I made the background, I painted the background, then I cut it in a circle, and then I pasted it over a new sheet. So as you people know that the power color for Cancer is silver and white because of their purity and because they are so sensitive. So I tried to use white, gray, grayish, white tones, silver tones, black tones in the background to depict the color and to show the color, power color for Cancerians. So guys, the second star sign I have painted is Sagittarius. And as you can see, it's looking so beautiful. I used purple and black background for the sky because purple is a power color of Sagittarians. And to implement this, I made the constellations in golden color just the same procedure I did again. I just painted roughly on a piece of paper, the watercolor sheet, and then when the sheet was dried, I cut it in a circle, and then I pasted on a new sheet and then made this postcard. So guys, the next star sign is Aquarius. As you can see, the power color for Aquarius is blue. So I mixed blue with black, and for almost all the constellations, I mixed their power colors with black tone because I have to give it a touch of night and to show the night time, the stars and the constellations. So I try to mix every power color of the zodiac with the black and give the constellation a golden touch. So it will look so good. If you frame it and give it to your loved ones, they will also like it. Okay, the next one is the star sign Leo. Leo is a very powerful star and the power color for Leo is orange. So I mixed orange with black and give this tone. Star sign is Libra. The power color for Libra is pink. So I used pink with black tones. In each of these constellations, I used black color because I have to show the night and the sky. So I just tried to mix their power colors with the touch of black to make a sky. So this is a close-up. And the next one is Taurus. So the power color for Taurus is green, and I used green with black also, complemented it with golden. Coming toward Aries. Aries is the first zodiac sign of the all star signs. So Aries has a power color red. I mixed red with black, as you know, and gave it a touch of golden. So it looks so amazing. Okay, G. The next one I'm holding is Virgo. The power color, as you can see in the picture, the power color for Virgo is green, a very fresh green. I mixed green with black, and as you can see, the movement of colors, the black and green mixing together and give it a look of sky. It is so beautiful. You can mix these colors by pouring technique, by using watercolors, wet on wet technique. So it will give this effect. So guys, the next star sign is Pisces. Pisces has the power color, yellow is the power color for Pisces. So I mixed dirty yellow with black. I don't want to use the fresh yellow because it doesn't look good and it gives the effect of day. So I used the dirty yellow with black, and look at the closer look. It looks so good. Okay, the next one is Scorpio. Scorpio is a very brave and very intense star. So the power color for Scorpio is black. So I wanted to mix black with some gray tones, white tones, and give it a shade of black and gray. So this is the closer look. Moving toward the next one, it's Capricorn, and the power color for Capricorn is brown, earthy shades, because earth is their element, soil, earth is their element. So I mixed brown with gray and black tones to give a background and complemented it with some gold. And you can see the closer look. Now, last but not the least is Gemini. The power color for Gemini is green, the shade of green. So I mixed green with black, and you can see the closer look. So guys, these are all of my postcards. I hope you like them. Okay guys, so here I'm done now, and now quickly moving towards the making of these postcards, how I made them. It's a quick time lapse. You can just see the process. I'm not going to give you the details because I already discussed all the colors. I'm just going to show you some of the backgrounds I painted, how I painted them, and then after drawing what other procedures I have done one by one on each of the constellation. So thank you so much for staying with me, and now let's move towards our time lapse. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for staying with me for so long and for liking and appreciating my videos, my work. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe my channel, and till then take care of yourself, and do tell me in the comments how do you like the video and which star sign you are having. So take care of yourself. Until then, bye.